In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off safe search on Reddit. This is helpful if you're over 18 and want to see mature content that Reddit normally hides or blurs by default. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where these settings live and what each option actually does. First, open Reddit in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. These settings are tied to your profile, so you do need to be logged in for the changes to apply. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might show your avatar or a simple placeholder image if you haven't customized it. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can control everything from notifications to privacy and content preferences. On the settings page, find and click on the section called Preferences. Depending on the current Reddit layout, this might appear as a tab or a link within your account settings. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Within Preferences, scroll until you see the content-related options. Here is where you control what kind of posts and media you want Reddit to show you. To turn off safe search and allow mature content, you'll want to enable the option called Show Mature Content. I'm over 18. Turn this on only if you are legally allowed to view adult content in your region. When this is enabled, Reddit will no longer automatically filter out posts that are marked as mature. Right below that, you should also see an option labeled Blur Mature, 18+ images and media. If this is turned on, Reddit will still blur the thumbnails or previews of mature posts, even though they are allowed to appear in your feed. If you'd like to see those images and media without a blur, go ahead and disable this option. If you prefer a little extra privacy, you might want to keep it on so your feed doesn't show explicit previews at a glance. Once you've adjusted these two options to your liking, your changes usually save automatically. You can now go back to your Reddit home or any subreddit, and your new content settings should be in effect.